Hi everyone. When you participate in the forex market, there are many ways you can earn money. Besides earning money directly through self-trading, you can also earn money by copying trading strategies from other traders. This allows you to leverage the experience and trading skills of those who have spent many years in the market. Therefore, your earning potential will also be higher. To facilitate this method of earning, Exness has launched an application called Exness Social Trading. In this video, we will explore in detail how to use that application. This is the Exness Market channel, where we provide the most useful information about trading activities on the Exness platform. We are a leading development partner of Exness. If you're new to Exness Market, make sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and our team will get back to you as soon as possible. You'll find the registration guide and the latest Exness updates in the video description and pinned comment. Besides this channel, you can also visit our Exness Market website to explore more about Exness. To use the application, you first need to download and install it on your phone. If your phone uses the iOS operating system, go to the App Store. Here, I am using an Android operating system, so I will go to CH Play. In the search bar, type Exness Social Trading. The Exness Social Trading application will appear at the top of the search results like this. Click on Install, and wait a moment for it to download and install on your phone. The application has been downloaded and installed. I will click on Open. By default, it will show us the account opening section like this. However, if you already have an account on Exness, we will log in immediately. If you do not know how to open and verify an account on Exness, I have left a link to the account opening instruction video in the pinned comment or in the video description. You can refer to it there for more information. Here, I assume you already have an account, so I will click on Sign in with Exness account. Next, I will enter the email address and password of the account. After entering the email and password for the account, I will click Sign in. The next step, we will need to enter a PIN to help us log in quickly in subsequent visits to the application. You can set any PIN. And please remember this code to help you log in faster next time. It shows the fingerprint setup section like this. You can set up your fingerprint now or click skip for now. I will not set up a fingerprint. When you first log in, a section introducing Exness will appear. You can click skip at the top. Overall, this application has 4 main tabs. Look at the bottom. Currently, we are on the first tab. This tab will contain the most general information about trading strategies in the copy section here. Or below it, there will be an economic calendar section. Economic calendar. Further below, it gives us some information related to current traders. Some different types of rankings. This tab will be the main tab for us to find information about different traders to get signals from them. Note that our purpose in coming to this application is to copy signals or learn about traders' signals to learn from them. Therefore, the most important thing for us is to know how to check the information of traders to see if they provide us with good signals and if they are trustworthy enough. And secondly, we need to find out how to manage money in this account to help us copy signals and generate profits from the money we invest. At the top of this tab, Portfolio Values. This section contains information about the money we are investing. Currently, I have no investments, so it shows $0 here. Right below Strategies, this section contains information about the trading signals we can refer to. And we can copy signals from them. Immediately below are different categories to help us filter signals. For example, by currency, meaning we will filter signals provided by trading currency. We can filter signals related to the US dollar, filter signals related to gold, Bitcoin, or the Japanese yen, and so on. You can scroll down to the by currency section here, or you can click on by currency. Then select the currency you are interested in. You want to trade with that currency. For example, if I want to trade the euro-dollar pair, it contains the US dollar. So I will choose USD here. So, when I choose USD like that, it will filter out traders who trade products related to the US dollar. And once inside, if I want to further filter the signals, I will sort and filter those signals using the sort and filter sections below. You can see this. I will click on Filter. For example, here, in the risk score section, I will choose traders with low risk scores. For example, from 1 to 3, the very top part is return. Here, It shows the profit that the trader earns. So here, I'll just leave it as a general overview. I won't touch the return section at all. I am most interested in the risk score, meaning risk. And note that if a trader trades with a high risk score, the risk is higher. The number of investors section contains information about investors who are copying signals from the strategy provider. Country is the section that filters the country information where the signal provider resides. After filtering the results, we will click on Show Results. And below are 13 traders that satisfy the conditions we filtered. You can also go to the Sort section to reorder the trader information. You can select Return High first, meaning we will filter the signals from the 13 traders we have already filtered here. And we will arrange those 13 traders in descending order of return. From highest to lowest, you can look at the right side of the screen. The highest number is 3,139.2%. This person's risk score is 1. This person has a high return rate but low risk. A pretty good metric, isn't it? When we filter like this, and we feel that this signal looks promising, we will delve deeper into it to learn more. So you will click on that trader. For example, I will click on the trader China with America. So, when we click on a trader, it will provide us with more detailed information about that trader. For example, here, this trader has a commission of 50%. Perhaps this is because this is a highly reputable trader, with low risk but high return, which is why they set such a high commission. On the right side, investors is 65. This trader has 65 people copying their signals. Below leverage, this leverage is the leverage of the account this person is trading with. And the equity is $127.43. So this is the amount of money in this person's account. They are trading with $127.43, which is quite small. Scrolling down, we get other information, such as the products this person trades. These are some of the products this person trades. And trader information will be displayed in the About Trader section. At the top, you can switch to other tabs to find out more about the trader. Statistics is the section that shows us the capital growth chart of this person. You can click on it and drag your finger from left to right or from right to left to see this person's return rate at different timeframes. We see that the fluctuation of this return part is also quite unusual. Equity. This is capital. There are periods with no capital. This period could be when they withdrew capital or had a capital decrease. This needs to be understood more deeply. This is a withdrawal. Withdraw. Generally, this equity chart is not very good. If you are choosing information about a trader, in addition to return and risk information, you also need to pay attention to this section, the change in equity. So you just select that trader. Go to the second tab. Then switch from return to equity to find out their information. The ideal equity fluctuation chart should always show a steady upward trend. Newsfeed has nothing. Orders. This person currently has 2 trading orders. And these 2 orders are currently profitable. Go to the history section. This history section contains information about this person's past trading orders. By paying attention to the history section, we can also find out quite a lot of information, such as trading history information, which also shows their trading style, whether they hold orders overnight or not. You can see that all trading orders here have a swap fee of 0. This means they only trade intraday, like scalping or day trading. Typically, traders with high profit margins tend to follow short-term trading styles, such as day trading or scalping. One important piece of information we need to pay attention to when researching a trader is how long they have been in the market. To find out about the period they participated, you can look in the description, or you can check the statistics section. So you just select the total section, then drag the timeline, select the very last part, and you will know. For example, the person whose information I am currently monitoring, China with America. This person joined on September 25, 2021. Assuming we have selected a suitable signal, we will click on Start Copying. If your wallet has money, it will lead you to the Signal Copy section. Here, in this case, my account's wallet has no money deposited yet, so it notifies me like this. I will need to make deposit, meaning I will need to deposit money to proceed with copying signals. And with a large enough capital, we can copy multiple people at once. The minimum copy amount is $10, so we can deposit more, then copy different people. And copying signals is also very easy. The most important thing is for us to understand a trader's information to see if it is safe or not. Earlier, I filtered signals by currency. Similarly, you can filter signals by other options in the first tab. Besides filtering signals, we have the economic calendar. Which is the economic calendar? You can select this section to view information related to different products we trade. This information fluctuates constantly and categorizes the impact into 3 levels: low, medium, and high. I will introduce you to the second tab. This second tab is about portfolio. Information about the campaigns we are copying. At the top, it will display our total money. The available section displays the remaining money in our account that we have not yet invested. The right side is the invested section. This invested section shows us information about the money we have invested. Money that has been invested will be displayed in the copying strategies section. And it is in the active section. Currently, I have no investments, so it shows active, 0. However, if there are investments, they will be displayed in this section. And the total amount of money we have copied will be in the invested section. History is the section that shows information about the money we have invested in the past. In the available section, if you want to add funds to continue investing in other trading signals, you can click the plus sign and select Make Deposit to add more money. Or we will choose Withdraw to withdraw money. The last tab is the third tab. This third tab displays information about the money in our wallet. This wallet is the total amount in our wallet. And we can withdraw it. Or we can add more to deposit into this account. There are many different ways to deposit money. Like, click on Make Deposit. So here you can see that in the payment method section. You will click on the arrow next to it. You can see that we can deposit money using Visa cards, Neteller e-wallet, non-Luong e-wallet, or through internet banking. We can also deposit money using Bitcoin wallets or USDT, USDC wallets, or through wire transfer. Next, we will enter the amount of money we want to deposit. Depending on the deposit method, the minimum amount here will vary. For example, for the Neteller method, the minimum deposit amount is $10. Perhaps with other methods, the deposit amount will be higher. And after depositing money, we can go to the signal copying section of traders in this third tab. You see there is a gear icon in the upper right. You will click on it. In this section, you can change the passcode, which is the code we use for quick login when we enter the account. Or we can set up fingerprints in the second option. Sign in with fingerprint. Or we can set up push notifications below. You can click on the person icon in the top left, next to your account name. That will be your account information. You can make settings here. Or you can log out of this account. You can use live chat, meaning chat with customer service. If you have any questions, above is all the information related to the Exness social trading application. I would like to conclude the instructions for the Exness social trading application here. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video useful, please like it, click the subscribe button, and click the bell icon next to it to receive the latest videos when the channel releases the